Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can add Messenger button to your Facebook page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments under this video. And let's get started. So friends, please open up the Facebook application. Next, you will need to switch to your non-main page. The main thing is that it should not be an account, but it should be a page. Then you will need to switch from your main Facebook page to your page. Next, open it up. Now you will need to click on the three dots at the bottom. And now, first of all, you can click View in order to see what your page looks like from the outside. And in order to add a Messenger button, please click on Add Action. And then Edit Action. And here you will need to select Messenger. If you don't have it selected, click on it. Select it, then click Save. And now, Messenger will be added to your page, and you can also go back. Do another preview to make sure that you have the Messenger button added right here somewhere underneath your image on the page. So that's the quick and easy way, friends, you can easily add a Facebook Messenger button to your Facebook page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Goodbye.